Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing. I'm out in Lake Highlands putting on a beautiful new roof on this two-story house, and I wanted to talk to you today about ridge vents. You'll see behind me, I got a stack of Owens Corning ridge vents. This is a great product, and you've probably noticed a lot of your neighbors and people around town are starting to go with ridge vents. They're not new, but they've kind of caught them in popularity lately, and I wanted to point it out today because this is actually a perfect house, if you'll notice behind me, for ridge vents. So you'll see at the highest point of this attic, we have a lot of ridge line. And the reason that's important is because you have to have the right amount of exhaust and intake to properly ventilate your attic. And that long ridge line is going to allow us to put enough ridge vent to ventilate this attic, keep it cool, help with the electricity, prolong the life of these shingles. So whatever ventilation you go with, whether it's a ridge vent, whether it's something else, it's going to depend largely on the design of your house, the layout of your attic, and what's going to get you the proper flow rate to keep that hot air moving out of your attic so that you don't overheat, jack up your electricity bill, and shorten the life of your shingles. So make sure that whenever you get a new roof or change your ventilation that you go to the manufacturer's website to get the proper ratio of intake to exhaust and talk with your contractor, hopefully Blue Nail, to make sure that you are properly ventilating your attic and getting the best option for your home, both for function and for what your house looks like. Tune in next time for another tip from Blue Nail Roofing.